evening, sir. My name is Jan Paul Buladaco, and this is my explanation about the International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities. The International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities developed the IELA Maritime Voyage System to standardize marine navigation aids globally, enhancing maritime safety and efficiency. Prior to this system, over 30 different voyage systems existed, leading to confusion and accident at sea. To accommodate existing regional practices, IELA established two voyage regions. Ang una kay Region 1 ay Region A, Europe, Africa, most of Asia, Australia, and New Zealand. Region B, the America, Japan, South Korea, and the Philippines. The primary difference between these regions lies in the color coding of lateral marks, which indicate the port, left, and starboard right sides of navigable channels when entering from the sea.
Good evening, sir. This is my last stand for International Association of Lighthouse. Authorized and Navigation IALA is known for establishing standards maritime voyage system to aid safe navigation. The IALA Maritime Voyage System provides guidelines for voyage shapes, colors, and light characteristics to mark safe waters, hazards, and other important features. There are two main regions in the IALA system, Region A and Region B, each with specific voyage rules. The system helps mariners worldwide navigate safely by providing consistent and recognizable aids to navigation. Sir.